This tutorial is to show you how to install Dualless app on your computer. This app will split your monitor into two, so you can work on two things at the same time. So basically, there's two ways to do it. To add the app, you can just go to the apps store, the Chrome store, you'll see it. See the web store? So if you have the little checkerboard icon for Chrome, you just go to web store and you type in the app. It's called Dual, D-U-A-L, less. Okay? And you just do add to Chrome. Another way to do it, I'm not going to do it right now. The other way is to just go to Google and you just type in Dualless. And you just open it up from the browser. You'll have an option, you just add to Chrome, add extension, and you're good to go. So let's check it. At the top of my computer, I have a little jigsaw piece. That's the symbol for extensions. I'm going to click it, and you'll see that I have a lot of extensions that have blue pens on them. That means these are the extensions that I'm going to use quite often, so I just want quick access to it. So right now, I want to have quick access to Dualless, so I'm going to push the blue pen. And now, you can see up here that I have a new icon. So here's my Bitmoji, my screencastify, but now I have Dualless, which splits my screen into two windows. In order to use it now, you have to just pick whatever you want to split. So right now I have these two things that I want to split. And I find it easier just to have those two open. So I would have my assignment slides, the one I want to type on, and then I would have my notes side by side. So all you have to do is click the icon, pick the proportions you want. I usually do 50-50, but you can see one side can be bigger than the other. And there you are. So I have manga slides, which is the one I would do all my assignments on. And I can click away. You'll have to work with the view and zoom in or whatever. And then on this one, here's my notes. So now I can toggle or slide around and get to whatever slide I want to read. And that's how you use Dualless.